Okay, in this video we're going to look at the injection process. So we've got our Drummy tile here. So all we're going to do is drill in through the grout line to pick up the void underneath the tile. Now I'm not sure if you can see that dust there that popped up, but basically that confirms to us that there's a void underneath the tile that needs to be filled. Okay, so once we've got our hole, then it's just a matter of pumping our glue in, and pretty much straight away you'll be able to hear it start to change sound. So you can hear already it sounds a lot more solid compared to a Drummy tile. So that's sounding pretty good now. So what we'll do is we'll just take a look. Now you can see the glue coming back up towards us. That basically tells us that the tile is full. So now it's just a matter of filling in that hole with a little bit of grout, giving that a bit of a wipe and clean, a little bit of a polish, and there you've got a rock solid tile. So compare that to your Drummy tiles. You can already tell that it's sounding a lot more solid. So that glue will take about 2 or 3 hours to dry, and then you'll be right to walk on these tiles. So the process is very simple. We inject each tile, we'll work our way along until each of the tiles is full, and then your floor will be nice and solid.